Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my husband's Stitch Fix box for the month of May. So basically, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Children get 10, but adults get 5. And those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. You're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. My husband and I no longer pay the $20 styling fee for each box because we were offered the Style Pass. I was offered it a couple years ago, and he was offered it about a year ago. And so he actually just renewed his Style Pass, so he will have that $49 to put towards anything in this box. So the Style Pass is a good deal. Basically, that means that you pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to you for the year. And you get to apply that $49 fee to anything that you keep within your first box. We're gonna get into the box to see what he got for this month. I think basically he's looking for some summer casual pieces like shorts and shirts and things like that. We have been telling his stylist that he prefers a crew neck, so hopefully we'll have some crew neck options in here. When you open up the box, it looks like this inside. They are promoting their shop by category, which is a new service that they have, where you can go in and you can choose what you want. You're gonna see inside your box, you've got that prepaid mailer. Shipping is free both ways, so you're gonna send anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. You're gonna have your envelope here, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And so this is fix number 10 for him. Also inside your envelope is your well hello there card from your stylist. It has a note from your stylist, but it also gives you style suggestions for how to style the items that are coming to you in your box. Now, my husband has had a variety of stylists. I think he's had like 4 different stylists, 4 or 5 during his time with Stitch Fix. So I'm gonna read the note real quick. It says, "Hi Scott, welcome back for your 10th fix. How are you? I'm thrilled to hear you enjoyed the items from your last collection. Thank you for also letting me know you prefer crew neck styles for t-shirts." Thank goodness, because he was getting tired of getting those V-neck shirts. That is so helpful to know. Since you mentioned that you also enjoyed dry fit shirts, I sent you the Performance Tee from 01 Algo. That's a brand that he seems to really like. Pair this with your new jersey shorts for a sporty look you can work out in. I see you're also interested in summer casuals. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find cargo shorts this time. However, I did send a pair of shorts that you've enjoyed before, but in olive. I'll be sure to keep my eye out for a pair in khaki next time. Pair these shorts with your new short sleeve button down from Flag and Anthem. This lightweight material is perfect for a warm sunny day. I hope you enjoy. Your stylist, Melissa. And I think he's had Melissa the last couple of times. So here's what the style card looks like, and it shows you the different items paired 2 different ways. And it looks like he got a pair of flip-flops. He's never gotten shoes before. So we've got the shoe bag, and we've got our bundle. I'm going to set the bundle to the side for a second so we can look at the shoes. So he does like flip-flops in the summertime, so this might be a good option. These are by Eventide, the Wizar flip-flop in brown, size 12. Let's see what these look like. Looks like a nice casual dress flip-flop that he could wear with shorts in the summertime. I'm not sure if he has brown. We'll have to see. I think he might have a pair of gray or dark black. They do have a nice cushion on the bottom. So those might work. We'll see. And now for the bundle. It looks like the olive shorts, which I don't think he has any olive shorts, and lots of blues. That might be purple striped on the top. So let's take a look at that. All right, so first off is the Flag and Anthem, the denim contrast cuff poplin shirt, and it does say it's in blue. It's in a 2XL tall, because he is very tall. So he likes these short sleeve button down tops for church and things like that. So this one's got a nice collar here, just a very thin pinstripe. I thought it was purple, but it's really just a light blue. It's got white buttons going down the front. that's basically a type of shirt he would wear to church and to dress up in the summer. So I think that will work. Next is from 01 Algo, the brand that he really seems to like. It is the Durant Performance Tee in blue, also in a 2XL tall. And if you've never tried this brand, their shirts are so soft. And so it's in blue. Just a basic crew neck t-shirt. It's kind of got that heathered look to it. But I think he'll really like that because he's really been loving the feel of these particular types of shirts. Next is also by 01 Algo, the Oscar Performance Jersey Short in indigo. And so they also have that really nice feel. This is the first time he's gotten like kind of a, what I would consider to be like a workout short. So let's see. It's got the drawstrings in the front. It's a nice dark navy color. And he wears shorts like this around the house, so I think he would like that. It does have the branding right there on the back, real small. Looks like a good length. So it's really soft and comfortable, so I think he'll like that for lounging around the house. And then lastly are the shorts. And these are by Mavi. I think it's Mavi or Mavi, I'm not sure. The Jacob Twill short in olive, and she said that he's liked these before, so he must have the same pair of shorts in a different color, but this is a nice olive color. He was looking for kind of khaki, but olive works too. It doesn't have like the cargo pockets, which is kind of more casual, so these are a little bit more dressy. It looks like a good length, so I think that will go with a lot of his shirts that he likes to wear in the summertime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him try all these things on, and then I'll come right back to let you know what he thinks. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices and to let you know what my husband thought about his box. This was a really good fix for him, and the prices are great. So the first item on his list is by 01 Algo, the Oscar Performance Jersey Short in indigo. These were an extra large, and the cost is $35. These are very soft, like the shirts. If you've ever felt the 01 Algo brand, they're just very soft and they're comfortable, and so he liked them. They fit really well, and they'll be good for lounging around or more casual days. Next is the Mavi Jacob Twill short in olive. These are $68. This is the most expensive item in the box, but this is a great brand. They wash up, they wear well. They're just worth the money. They're good quality shorts, and so like I said, they're $68. He does want to find some shirts that will go with those olive shorts, so. Next is by Even Tide, the Wizar flip-flop in brown, size 12. These are $38. He has a pair of brown flip-flops, but they're getting kind of old, so he said that he could use a new pair. And they do have some good cushion here on the bottom. They were comfortable and they fit perfectly. And so I think $38 is a pretty good price for those. Next is the cheapest item in the box is the 01 Algo Durant Performance Tee in blue. Size 2XL tall. That's another good thing about Stitch Fix is that he can get those tall sizes that he needs. He's not a big guy, but he's tall and he's got a very long torso, so he needs those tall sizes in his shirts. And so this was only $29. It's super soft, super comfortable, and so I think he'll get a lot of wear out of that in the summer. And then the last thing was the Flag and Anthem, the denim contrast cuff poplin shirt in blue. Also in a 2XL tall, and it's $44.50. So he liked everything in his box. So we're going to be keeping all 5 items. So the stylist pick subtotal was $214.50. The buy all discount of 25% takes off $53.63, which is like getting the dress shirt for free plus a little bit more. So his order subtotal is $160.87. But we're going to be able to take off $49 to that price because he has renewed his style pass. So it's going to come down to about $110, I think. Overall, I think this was a great fix. You tell me what you think. Do any of you have husbands that do Stitch Fix? If so, let me know what they think about it. This is perfect for my husband because he dislikes shopping and he does not like to do it. And so this allows us to have it sent to the house. He can try it on real quick and decide what he wants to keep and what he doesn't want to keep. I'm going to leave a referral link in the description box below. If this is your first time trying Stitch Fix, that referral link would give you $50 I think it's still active, but $50 towards your first fix, which means it would waive your styling fee, and you could take that $50 and apply it to anything in your box. Remember, you only pay for what you keep, so even if you just use that link, you're gonna get $50 of free items and not be obligated to keep anything else. So if you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.